5 blocks against the Dominican Republic. Nice catch inside and a power move by De Souza. Puts it in and gets the foul. Welcome back to our coverage of the 2023 FIBA Basketball. Kai Soto on the floor. Clarkson double team. Clarkson forcing the issue. He gets in a roll. Second field goal for Jordan Clarkson. 27 years old, stands 5'10". Paolo defending against Clarkson. Clarkson spinning into a double team. Nice kick out. Perez from outside. Yes! And still plays professionally in Portugal. Clarkson open. Put back is good.
AJ Edu. Little miscommunication, I think, on the ball screen defense there by Angola. Trapping, nobody left to pick up a rolling AJ.
The Dominican Republic, nice fake. And the drive inside. Shot may have been partially deflected. And the Angolans are off and running. Fernando! What a slam in transition.
Minute, but caught the screen moving as we see this highlight dunk by Bruno Fernando looking down at the rim.
Bruno Fernando dumps it down inside. Nice movement and the kick out. 3-4 Goncalves is good. Just like that, a 13-point performance against the Dominican Republic. Philippines up by 2 once again. Final 2 minutes of first half. Step back, Fernando, what a shot. They turn it around and shot much better from the field at 32%. Also made 31% of their three-point shots.
And helped their team out with box outs.
Ravenna seeing action for the first time. Nice dunk pass, but a great block by Fernando against Fajardo. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Keeper Ravenna working on Gundao. Ravenna. Yes! And 6 feet tall. Here's Clarkson. Guarded by Bango. He's a lot taller. Nice dish. There's Jeremiah Fajardo. Where to put that.
Trying to, again, go back to this matchup versus Dwight Ramos in the post.
Fernando forcing the issue against 2 defenders. Such a magnet right now on the post. Turnover. Bad pass by AJ Edu. There's easy slam dunk. Silvio De Souza to the national team since 2005. CJ Perez aggressively bringing it down, but nowhere to go now. Nice cut there by Clarkson.
Around to catch the defense on the weak side, napping.
Jordan Clarkson. Mom is from Bacolod, Pampanga. Good show coming from Fernando. Clarkson pulls up. Too strong off the back iron. And go ahead pass. And an easy basket for Goncalves.
Save the leak out man.
Gerson Goncalves. Nice ball movement for Angola. Open Goncalves. Yes.
As you saw that possession, Gilas dropped into a zone.
Domingos has done a magnificent job quarterbacking for the team. Nice drive and dish. Goncalves back-to-back threes. Ramos, perimeter shot. Nothing going for the Philippines. Soto puts it in and picks up a foul against João Fernandes.
For this Gilas squad.
Clarkson still the only player in double digits for the Philippines. Goncalves, that shot partially deflected. Outlet pass. Basket is good. On the post, Clarkson against Paolo. Oh, nice crossover. Reverse is good and a foul. What a basket for AJ Edu.
The athleticism hanging in the air. Beautiful drop. And the always handsy captain of Angola getting called for that foul. Look at the body control. Look at the hang time by AJ Edu off 6'10". The future is
Fernando begging for it on the post. They want to get it to him. Gundao right there. Open corner. Domingos. Oh, that's a big shot.
Humongous shot right there. Baseline double team coming from R.R. Pagoy. A gamble by him.
11-3 run in favor of the Philippines, but right now time is not on the side of Gilas Pilipinas. After that big three-pointer from Domingos, that may have been the nail on the coffin here for the Philippines. A nice pass and a big basket by Jelson Bango. Put the game away in favor of Angola here. AJ Edu puts it in after the alley-oop pass. Shilde Dundao. Nice bounce pass. Jelson Bango unable to put it in, but the putback is there for Bruno Fernando. Make it a 10-point game with 1.3 seconds remaining. A turnaround shot is no good, and that's the end of the game. The Philippines back-to-back losses, 10 points.